Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my online classes. This is Om Maths Corner. Today we shall discuss.
Our topic is mathematical reasoning, chapter number 14, class 11, subject mathematics.
So let us proceed now.
We shall solve the questions of exercise 14.1 also. Before moving towards the questions of the exercise, let us have the introduction of the chapter mathematical reasoning. The very concept is introduction. In this chapter, we shall discuss about some basic ideas of mathematical reasoning. All of us know that human beings evolved from the lower species over many millennia. The main asset that made humans superior to other species was the ability to reason. How well this ability can be used depends on each person's power of reasoning. How to develop this power? Here we shall discuss the process of reasoning, especially in the context of mathematics. In mathematical language, there are two kinds of reasoning. One is inductive and second one is deductive. We have already discussed the inductive reasoning in the context of mathematical induction. In this chapter, we shall discuss some fundamentals of deductive reasoning. Okay? The basic unit involved in mathematical reasoning is a mathematical statement. Let us start with the two sentences. The very first sentence is in 2003, the President of India was a woman. What do you say about this English sentence? This is false. Okay, the answer is false. Now consider the second sentence. An elephant weighs more than a human being. What do you say about this? Of course, this is very much true. Okay, now consider one more sentence, one more statement. Women are more intelligent than men. Now consider what you say, whether this is true or false. Some people will say this is true, whereas some will say no, this is false. Okay? Means this sentence is ambiguous, right? Such a sentence is not acceptable as a statement in mathematics. Okay, why? Because this statement is creating confusion. Okay, so in mathematics we cannot accept this as a statement. Which is called statement now? If we can say yes or we can say no, false or true, both these are these sentences are statements, whereas this is not a statement, right? Now consider few more examples. The very first one is 2 plus 2 equals 4. What do you say about this statement? Immediately we can reply the answer is yes or true. Okay, now consider next. The sum of two positive numbers is positive. Now what you say about this sentence? Again immediately we can reply yes, this is true, right? Now consider one more sentence. All prime numbers are odd numbers. Now, what is the answer? We know that 2 is 2 is the only even prime number. So we cannot say that all prime numbers are odd prime numbers. Okay, because this is contradicting. So, immediate reply. We are discussing just what is the immediate reply of this question. We can say no. This statement is false. Okay. So, if we can say immediately we can reply yes or no, then all these sentences they are called mathematical statement. This is a mathematical statement, this is also a mathematical statement, and this is also a mathematical statement. Okay, now we consider few more sentences. The sum of x and y is greater than 0. Again, this sentence we cannot reply immediately yes or no, because this is creating confusion, because if both are negative, x is negative, y is also negative, then how the sum can be greater than 0? So, what is the answer to this question? This is not accepted in mathematics as a statement. So, we say this is not a statement. Okay, consider one more example. How beautiful. Again, this sign is the sign of exclamation. So, what we say about this? How beautiful? We cannot say that this is beautiful or not. This is creating the confusion. Okay, this is creating confusion. We right here creating confusion. So, we cannot accept this as mathematical statement. One more example is open the door. What is this? This is order. Immediately we cannot reply yes or no. So again, this is not a statement. One more example, consider. Where are you going? Question mark. What is this? This is again question mark, mean we cannot say yes or no. Immediately if we are unable to reply yes or no, then that means that English sentence is not a mathematical statement. So this is also not a English, this is also not a statement. Consider one more example. Tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Tomorrow is Friday. What you say about this now? Even we don't know what is today. Then how we can predict that tomorrow is Friday? Okay. So mean to say this is also not a mathematical statement. Now consider this statement. She is a mathematics graduate. Here we don't know who is this she. Pronoun is used. Okay, so we cannot accept this as mathematical statement. Next, Kashmir is far from here. Here the place is not mentioned. So again, this is not accepted as mathematical statement. Now consider this statement. There are 40 days in a month. Immediately everyone can reply, no, this is false. Mean to say, yes, this is a statement, because we can reply yes or no. We can reply true or false. And the kind of this, what is the kind of this statement? This is false statement. We can say this is statement, but this is false statement. Okay. Now from these examples we are moving towards the questions of the exercise 14.1. Let us see what is there. The very first question is, Which of the following sentences are statements? Give reasons for your answer. The very first part is there are 35 days in a month. Immediately we can say no, this is false. But what is the question? We say here yes, this is a statement, but false statement. Next is second is mathematics is difficult. This is creating confusion. Immediately we cannot reply yes or true or false. So what we say? No, this is not a statement, as this is creating confusion. Right? Now next is question is the sum of 5 and 7 is greater than 10. So what we say? 7 plus 5 is 12. This is not greater than 10. This is false. Mean to say immediately we can say true or false. So mean is yes, this is a statement. Yes, this is a statement. Yes, this is a statement, but false statement. Next is the square of a number is an even number. So what we think? This is creating confusion. Why this is creating confusion? Because we don't know what is the number. If this is even number, suppose 2, then its square is 4, mean to say this is even. But if this is odd number, then its square is 1, which is odd. So mean to say this sentence is creating the confusion. So in mathematics this is not a statement. So what we write in the answer? This is creating confusion, so not a statement. Next is the sides of a quadrilateral have equal length. Again, what we see here, we cannot immediately reply true or false, because quadrilateral four-sided closed figure. If this is a square, then it has equal length of each side. If we say it is a rhombus, even then the each side will be equal. But if it is a parallelogram, then we cannot say, mean to say confusion. We can say this is creating confusion, so this is not a statement. Okay. Next is answer this question. This is order. So this is order. This is a order. This is an order, so this is not a statement. The product of -1 and 8 is 8. Of course, immediately we can say no, this is false. So, what is the answer to this question? Yes, this is a statement, but false statement. Similarly, we have the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Yes, we know this is true. Yes, this is a statement and true statement. True statement. Okay, because this is true. Next question is today is a windy day. Okay, again this is creating the confusion. No, this is not a statement, as this is ambiguous sentence. We cannot declare that today is a windy day. Last one is all real numbers are complex numbers. What do you say about this? We can immediately reply yes, this is true. So because even if I write here 5, 5 means 5 plus iota 0. So 5 can also be written as in the form of complex number. So what is the answer? Yes, this is a statement and this is true statement. Yes, this is a statement and a true statement. Now, question number 2. Give three examples of sentences which are not statements. Give reasons for the answers. Okay, so we have so many examples. Out of those, one is Delhi is far from here. We don't know what is here. Okay, so this sentence is ambiguous, so we cannot declare this as a mathematical statement. Second one is shut the door. This is an order, so this is not a statement. How are you? This is ambiguous. We cannot reply true or false. Okay, so what we say, all these sentences, mathematically we cannot accept them as the statement. So this was all about exercise 14.1. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.